वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। ओके।
Central idea. In this poem it is described that there lived a lady in Northland. She was too greedy and selfish to give anything to any needy person. Once St. Peter, who was preaching and walking everywhere, reached to that lady. Being wandering so long he was tired and hungry. While the lady was baking the cake, he asked her for the cake. She baked one cake for him but thought too big to give away to him. She did the same second time but the result was the same and then thin like the wafer. Looking at St. Peter got angry with her and turned her into woodpecker whom have to work hard to get its food. I can't say whether it is wrong or right but it is just a lesson for whom they are greedy and selfish.
कविता का सार। इस कविता में बताया गया है कि नॉर्थलैंड में एक महिला रहती थी। वह इतनी लालची और स्वार्थी थी कि किसी जरूरतमंद व्यक्ति को कुछ भी नहीं दे पाती थी। एक बार संत पीटर, जो हर जगह उपदेश दे रहे थे और घूम रहे थे, उस महिला के पास पहुंचे। इतनी देर तक भटकते रहने के कारण वह थक गया था और भूखा भी था। जब महिला केक बना रही थी, उसने उससे केक मांगा। उसने उसके लिए एक केक बनाया लेकिन उसे देने के लिए बहुत बड़ा केक सोचा। उसने दूसरी बार भी ऐसा ही किया लेकिन परिणाम वही रहा और फिर वेफर की तरह पतला हो गया। यह देखकर सेंट पीटर उस पर क्रोधित हो गए और उसे कठफोड़वा में बदल दिया, जिसे अपना भोजन प्राप्त करने के लिए कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी। मैं यह नहीं कह सकता कि यह गलत है या सही, लेकिन यह सिर्फ उन लोगों के लिए एक सबक है जिनके लिए वे लालची और स्वार्थी हैं।
Question 1. Which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to? Answer. I think the Northland refers to the countries as Canada, Greenland, Norway, Russia, etc. Question 2. What did St. Peter ask the old lady for? What was the lady's reaction? Answer. St. Peter asked the lady for some cake as he was tired and hungry. But the small lady was not ready to give a big cake. It also happened on the second time. But on the third time she took a tiny scrap of dough and baked it as a thin wafer to give him. Question 3. How did he punish her? Answer. St. Peter got angry when he saw the lady doing wrong for him as well as the society. So by cursing her he turned her into woodpecker. Question 4. How does the woodpecker get her food? Answer. The woodpecker gets its food by making holes in the hard dried wood. Question 5. Do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who St. Peter really was? What would she have done then? Answer. In my opinion, the lady would not have been so ungenerous if she had known who St. Peter was. She would have been welcomed him and offered good and big cake to him. Question 6. Is this a true story? Which part of the poem do you feel is the most important? Answer. I think this story should be just an imagination of the poet. The whole poem is very interesting. Even then I have to select some important part that should be stanza 9, in which her mean-mindedness is shown, and stanza 13, in which the old lady was punished for her greediness and selfishness, and it is a good lesson for all of us. Question 7. What is a legend?
ले
Why is this poem called a legend? Answer. Legend is a popular story from the past. Many people think that it can be true, but many more think that it is just an imagination of the poet. This poem is called as a legend for it has a message of generosity to all the creatures. Generosity is valuable and all should follow it. Question 8. Write the story of a legend of the Northland in about 10 sentences. Answer. Once during his walking and preaching, St. Peter reached to a place where he saw a little woman who was baking cakes in her store. As wandering and preaching for so long he got so tired and hungry, he asked the lady to give him some cake to eat. The lady was not generous enough to give him a big cake. Seeing her mean-mindedness, St. Peter turned her into a woodpecker. 2. Question 1. Let's look at the words at the end of the second and fourth lines, viz. Snows and clothes, true, and you, below, and no. We find that snows rhymes with clothes, true rhymes with you, and below rhymes with no. Find more such rhyming words. Answer, true, you. Earth hearth. Laid away. One done. Myself, shelf. Form warm. Word bird. Same, flame. Few, through. Below, no. Done, one. Another over. Flat, that. Faint, saint. Food, wood. Head, burned.
वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।